People tend to assume that all companies operate the same, and the fact of the matter is they do not. Every company is unique in the types of projects they handle, the areas they service, and the manner in which they deliver their services to the client. And so I think that the first thing people need to understand, instead of contacting contractors and simply asking them to come out, inviting them to come out to their house to talk about the project, is recognize that what they should be doing is interviewing different contractors to try and identify the ones they want to have come out to their house. And it's by establishing that, in fact, the contractor is potentially one that could deliver everything they're looking for, both on the project as well as the experience.